Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I am your science teacher Miss Simon Orin, class 8, subject General Science. Today I am going to start new chapter. Chapter number 4, pressure. What is pressure? Pressure is defined as force acting per unit area. Formula of pressure. Pressure is equal to force divided by area. P is equal to F divided by A. P for pressure, F for force, A for area. The SI unit of pressure is Newton per square meter. This unit is also called the Pascal. As pressure is directly proportional to force and is inversely proportional to the area, therefore, if same force act on different areas, the pressure exerted will be different. That is, same force exerts less pressure on a larger area and more pressure on a smaller area, and if different forces act on same area, the pressure exerted will be different. That is, more force exerts more pressure and less force exerts less pressure on a given area. Force and pressure are not the same thing. Force is the total impact of one object on another. Pressure is the amount of force acting on an area. Pressure depends on two factors. Forces acting. Increasing the force will increase the pressure. Area of surface. Decreasing the area of the force will increase the pressure. Atmospheric pressure or gas pressure. This is an envelope of air that surrounds the earth. We call it the atmosphere. The atmosphere is bound to the earth by the gravitational attraction of the earth. This atmosphere of air around us produces pressure at ground level or other levels due to the weight of the air above that levels. Pressure exerted by atmosphere on the Earth's surface is called atmospheric pressure. Pressure in liquids. Pressure is transmitted throughout the liquid. Pressure acts in all directions. Pressure increases with depth. Measurement instrument. Mercury barometer. Atmospheric pressure can be measured with the mercury barometer. Barometer is an instrument to measure atmospheric pressure. The column of mercury is held up by air pressure. As the air pressure varies from day to day, the height of the mercury also varies. Manometer. Manometer is an instrument to measure pressure within liquids. It consists of a U-tube filled with water or any other suitable liquid. Thank you, students.